Hey viewers, hello and welcome back to my channel. It's me Babur Khatri and it's my fresh channel. The older channel name was BK Vlogs. The channel name was very unique and none of the subscribers couldn't find me on YouTube. So that's the reason why I changed my channel name. But now is the first video of my channel, so I decided why not I give my home tour and just show you all how I clean my home. Basically I am from Mumbai. And we all know that in Mumbai there is hell lot of dirt, so that's why the dirt comes into our house and my house got very dirty because we stays near the highway. And the second reason is today is Sunday. It's my favorite day of the week and I decided why can't I help my mom? So my mom is not in my house, so that's why I'm doing this for her. Let's start the video. But first of all, do you want to see the mess? Just take a look right here. Let's get started. Somebody is knocking my door. I want to go. Back to work. Look at the sweat. Very gurmy. Done with this floor. Hey guys, just take a look at this mess right here. Done. Clean and clear. Look at this fan, guys. How dirty it is. Time to wipe this. Done. I'm done cleaning with the hall and now iski bari hai. Then I'm gonna be showing you a small home tour of mine. Guys, this is my second room and now I'm gonna be cleaning this room in 3, 2, 1. Yeah. This is how I do it. Just take a look. My second room is done and time to wipe out this room. This room, guys, is the most dirtiest room in our house. This may take a few minutes to wipe this up. So let's go and do it. It's over. It may took a hell lot of time. I really wanted to change these bed sheets, but what to do? I don't know how to do it. So that's why I think that keep it as it is. This is my kitchen. As you can see, it's the dirtiest kitchen ever, I think so, because I have not wiped all of the burtons from 2 days. So this is the kitchen, guys. As you can see right here, this is the case and this is all the burtons. Also bottles are there bharne ke liye. I'm gonna be not boring you all, guys, by seeing that time lapses again and again. So what I will do is I will just use this transition. It's the best and fastest. So let's do it. These are all the empty bottles which I have to fill from this water purifier. So let's go and fill it in 3, 2, 1. Done. Finally, guys, our video came to an end. I have cleaned all of my house. Are you ready for a small house tour of mine? Let's get started. Go to the last room. This is how I cleaned. This is the dirtiest room in my whole house. So just take a look. This is how it is. The remaining is kitchen. So this is my kitchen. As you can see, यहाँ पे बहुत सारे बर्तन and all थे. So I've cleaned that all. This is it. This is my home. I hope, guys, you enjoyed my home tour. And this is my house. How I cleaned it. I hope, guys, आप लोग को idea मिल गया होगा that मेरा घर कैसा है. And this is how my house is. यार वैसे guys, मैं आप लोग को एक बात बताना ही भूल गया. आपको कहना चाहूँगा कि आप लोग प्लीज ये ट्राई करना अपने घर पे. अपना घर साफ करने की कोशिश करना छुट्टी के दिन. आपको पता चलेगा कैसी अपनी मॉम्स इतनी स्ट्रगल करके करती है. बिकॉज आज मुझे पता चल रहा है दैट कैसा लगता है. एंड आप लोग मेरे फेस के ऊपर देख सकते हो पसीना. एंड द मॉम नेवर कंप्लेन्स. सो हैट्स ऑफ. हैट्स ऑफ.